Good day friends, in this video I will give you a brief description about the program. Please note, this program suits for aspiring techies who wants to become a better developer and techies who's looking for better opportunities. So, in this program, we are going to discuss from basics of TypeScript and then get on with Angular 9, and towards the end I will show you how to use Azure Devops to manage your source code and also to perform continuous integration and continuous deployment in Azure Devops. Let's get started. So first we will get started with TypeScript, which will be for 8 hours of duration, where we will talk about 6 modules. And then we will continue with Angular 9 along with Azure DevOps CI/CD. So initially we will get started with basics of Angular 9, and I will take you through 13 modules in Angular 9. And the last two modules is about Azure DevOps, where we will implement the project we are working on in Azure DevOps, and we will automate the continuous integration and continuous deployment over there and make the project go live. What is the takeaway from the program? At the end of the program, you'll be good in writing Angular applications and also make it go live using Azure DevOps. It's going to be interesting and fun. The program is curated to industry's need. Trust me, this program can enhance your opportunity in the IT industry during this period. At the end of each session, the recorded video will be available for your reference. Thank you and have a great learning.